Okay, today we've got the under desk slide out pencil drawer. Mount it. M17144. Alright guys, I won't be a dork, but it is cool. I got this little under desk mount because if you'll notice these desks that have a stand-up position, you can see I can crank up the desk here. I actually got this as a Husky desk. I got it at Home Depot, but the problem with these desks is you lose a lot of space here because the middle bar, which has the spindle that cranks the height on both edges. So you have to find there's a lot of under desk drawers, slide outs, but a lot of them run in the 12, 14, 16 inch range. So this was tough to find. This is a little 7-inch pencil drawer. We're gonna go ahead and take it out and show you guys and mount it. Okay, got it here out of the box. You can see here, cool little drawer. Not much to it. So we've got these little brackets here, the sliding rails, and they do click out there, and they don't lock, but they look like decent little rails. This isn't to hold a lot of weight, and then you've got these little Z brackets that let you mount underneath and to hold that mount to these brackets, and then just the screws that go with that. So it's pretty straightforward, but you can see here, this is just going to go right underneath, probably to the right here. Let's see, that fits. Oh yeah, that closed. Yeah, that's closed, and it fits perfectly flush. You see that dilemma? I mean, it fits perfectly flush, so that's nice. That's what we want. So I'm going to put that up for you guys. Oops. Okay, easy enough. Got the mounting brackets on all four corners. Then you've got these just flat panel screws here. Those will just go up here, so you just set this where you want it. Then you can just mark underneath where you want the screws to go if you want to feed them in before or after. I'm going to go and get them done so you can see. So that was an easy 5-minute install. Got a nice little drawer. Oh, it meets nice and flush. Pencils, erasers, paper clips, pens, tape measure, all the little things you need, whatever you do. We're going to be doing a little bit of electronics with this little Arduino kit we have. So maybe it'll be for that. But I put it to the side here because I'm going to show you another drawer mount that I'm going to put here just for my keyboard. Over and out, guys. Hope you liked that vid and have a great day. Hey, please subscribe. We're close to 1,000.